Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, beautiful day. Today we're gonna work with some of the special stuff that we have to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my player reset and I'm gonna set this to 200 and then set this to let's say player number multiplied by 200 or 100. So we're gonna be at 100 from each other at all times. So player number 1 is going to be at 100, player number 2 is going to be at 200, and so on and so on. So I noticed a problem. I was just playing around a little bit, and I noticed a problem where your gun doesn't really follow you as you wait, let me just see. Oh, it always starts, it doesn't really follow you as you see how that's weird. If I died here, let me just show you this. If I died here, the level doesn't really reset. So my gun is like somewhere else. See, it's right here. And what I have to do is as I reset the level or reset the player, I have to set the level to reset as well. Now my reset function sucks really bad. So I have to do this. Reset stats. Bullets clear. Reset sprites. So let me just do this. Reset sprites. We have to kind of reset arrays. Bullets clear. Upgrades acquired. Set gun level. Reset weapon. Stats are gonna be up here. Dual missiles. Reset upgrades. Shield, piercing shot, current velocity. Reset physics and movement. So let me just take this, put that in here. Now we really have to divide this up because so many things which can go wrong. So I just want to set level, EXP, everything to 0, piercing shot, all those upgrades. That's good. Stat points is a thing we need here. I don't know why that's 20, because I'm just gonna do that. I don't even know about that. Whatever. Current weapon, I gotta reset. Set gun level, laser normal. Current weapon, laser normal. I think set gun level takes care of that, but still I'll leave that there. Reset timers, like that. Score is a part of stats, so I'll just do that. Reset sprite. Okay, so let me see. What do we have? We have a set in player. Let me open player.h. Player.h. So many things. God damn it. Power up RF, power up XP. I need to reset that as well. So let's just open our player.cpp. Keep it open. Reset stats. Reset upgrades. Reset power ups. This power up RF equals false. This power up XP equals false. Dual missiles 1-2 shield. Shield is good. Piercing shot 1-2 main gun level. We set it. We delete all those. Current weapon score damage at max damage. HP max, HP max. Okay, so that's good. We set all of those to 0. And what I want to do is I just want to update stats after this. Update stats. This update stats. This update stats. I think that might work. That's good. What else do we have? Do we have HP added? equals 10. Well, that's cool. This HP added. This HP added equals 10, right? Because we start with 10. Let me see. As we init the player, HP max, HP added 10. Okay. So that's good. And what does update stats do? Again. Upgrade HP, combat, update stats. So it says HP added plus this plating multiplied by 5. So it's just going to be 10. So that's good. HP max equals 0. Added is 10. So we'll set that. That's good. Cooling plating, XP next stat points. That's fine. 0. Score is 0. Velocity is 0. Stabilizer force direction, acceleration, current velocity controls, shielding. Deflect. That's fine. We'll leave that. Power up timer. Oh, here we go. Timers. Timers. How do I update timers? So power up RF. Shoot timer max. Shoot timer max. All of these are going that way. So power up timer is the other way. It's greater than 0. Okay. This power up timer equals 0. This shield timer equals this shield timer max. This shield recharge timer. How does all this work? And we'll add it. Timer as well. Shield recharge timer equals this shield recharge timer max. Then this power up. Wait, what the hell? This power up timer equals 0. Shield timer, power up timer, shield timer, damage shoot timer. Okay, so that's good. Damage timer, that's good. We have all of those. That's great. So now we have a better reset function that kind of works, I hope. So let's see. Let's try to reset the player, and then we'll fix that problem with the stage. So let me see. Let me just die. Shooting works. Everything works. Okay. Whoops. I shouldn't have done that. Okay. Let's just die. Okay. Let's reset. Okay, so that's great. That's great. I reset, but that was interesting. Let's do this. Reset. After a reset, this HP equals HP max. I have to do this after HP max equals 10. Let's just do that. This HP update stats. This is the thing. Like when I update stats. Okay, but that's good. HP equals HP max. So now it should work. I think it was just that was the problem. Let's see. Let me die. And then just restart. Alright, so I restart up there. That's good. Now set position. Sprite set position 200. Okay, so 100. 300, 100.f. Okay, I have to get the view as well. Let's just keep it at 200. Then we go in a game and say that that's okay. Then reset update. Restart update. We're gonna do this. Score, multiplier, damage, difficulty, boss timer. Now we have to clear all the arrays. clear arrays. Enemies, upgrades, pickups, bosses. This power-ups dot clear. This text tags dot clear. What else is there? This particles dot clear. How many do we have if we go in a game? Wow, there's a bunch. Pickups, upgrades, power-ups, particles, bosses, enemies, players. We're not going to clear that. Text tags, and that's about it. Alright, key timer, full screen, all that stuff. So we'll do that. Score timer, restart, boss encounter, difficulty, score timer, this all fine. Players are reset, and then we have to reset the view. Stage. This main view dot set center. Now let's go to where we initialize the view, and let's just take this, copy all this, and put it in here. This main view set center vector window get size X. So we'll go back to the start, and then they'll be fine. So let's just try this. Let's see. Let's just try this. Let's die. Let's do F1 restart. Okay, so that worked. Now that background is still moving, which shouldn't happen. So if I set the view, okay, all right. So stage. Let's make a reset function here. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll make a reset function here. That's accessors. So let me put that within accessors. Get scroll speed. Alright, so and then functions. Add tile, remove tile, set background. Remove functions. Modifiers. Setting the background, adding tile, removing tile is something else. Let's do a void reset. View. Oh no, we could just do reset, I guess. Void reset. Copy that, go into stage. Below add and remove tile, we'll just do a reset. Stage reset. This backgrounds dot clear. We'll clear all the backgrounds. Then we're just gonna do this background dot set position vector 2f 0 back to 0. All right, and then main view. I'm gonna reset it with a view, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the position to view dot get center dot x minus view dot get size dot x divided by 2, and then do the same thing for y. View dot get center now y minus boom, and then we're good. And that's going to be our reset position for the background. And then we're going to do this backgrounds dot add this background. So we'll reset it. We'll create a new one in the center, and then we'll start updating everything again. Now, what do I have to reset otherwise? It's a stage size X, tiles, background tiles, enemy spawners, scroll speed. Okay, so enemy spawners, I might have to reset enemy spawners after it. Reset enemy spawners. Just keep that there. Background index. That's all good. So that's good. Alright, that's good. Now let's just save this, and then we'll go up into game. this stage reset, this main view. So there we go. Let's see how this works, guys and grills. Let's see how this does. Hopefully this will work just the way I intend it to. We'll kill something, we'll go up here, and we will die, we will reset the stage. And okay, wait, where did we spawn now? And how come I have 15? Okay, I spawned up here. I want to spawn like here somewhere. This is where I want to spawn, right there. So that's like, I don't know how much this is, like 500 something, I don't know. Let's go to player. This video is 15 minutes, so that's good, we're almost done. 15 minutes, so let's set the position to about 500 and then multiplied by let's see, 300 plus, so there will be 300 and then plus 100 apart. Okay, let's die. So hard to die in this game. Restart. Okay, that was good. That's exactly where I want to spawn. So, or 400 actually, and then 150 apart. So if we do this, if we copy this and I go up into where I initialize player, set sprite position, set position 100. Okay, so there we go. Where do I set player number though? I mean player number. Let's just take that and do it all the way up here. Okay, there we go. So there we go. That's good. All right. So as long, that's great. That's great. That's great. All right. Main gun sprite. Okay, and because I do this after I set the player position, I do set the position. So where do I set player center? This player position. This player. What the hell? Oh, this has to be done after I set the actual position. So there we go. Init main gun. Init shield. Alright, that's good. Now I'm gonna divide all of these up into their own little functions later. See how that's perfect. That's perfect. Alright, so that's good. Now every time I set the position of the player, I want to calculate player center as well. If I just, before I close it, if I just go into player, I'm going to set pos right here. It sets the main gun position, and then just update everything here as well, just like that. And what if I make this non-inline? Just copy this, do that, player.cpp, let's close this. Where do I have it? Get bounds. Okay, so let me just get damage, void player, set pause, and then just copy paste that. Boom. Good. All right. This is in player. This is in player. What's the problem? Oh wait, float X, float Y. Boom. All right. So we have set position function here. It's good. What if I die now? Far away. Alright, I got my gun. That's good. Perfect. Now we don't have to worry anymore. Cool. Alright guys and girls, that's it for this video. It's pretty long. But thanks for watching. We fixed a few problems. We made it look better. Everything's good. So thanks. Take care and I'll see you in the next one, alright? Bye bye.